Alright guys, check it out. We're headed to Tesla in Vienna, Virginia today. It's late July 2024 and we were invited to test drive the Tesla Cybertruck. Invitation only. So headed down there, excited to actually first time even sit in Cybertruck and then even take it for a short spin. So here we go. Alright, before we start the test drive, I want to give you a little backstory. I'm a day one or night one reservation holder from back in November 2019. I ordered the dual motor all-wheel drive Cybertruck with full self-driving capability. Here is a very short video that I recorded when I actually ordered the Cybertruck, if you want to see that. Fast forward 4 years to November 2023, I finally got to see Cybertruck in person when it came here to Maryland at a local mall. Made a video on that if you want to see it. Click here above. Then fast forward to about 4.5 years after I ordered, I am invited to test drive Cybertruck at a local Tesla showroom in Vienna, Virginia, being a reservation holder. This email came in about 5 days before the test drive event. So of course I quickly smashed that RSVP button and reserved. On the day of the event, we showed up to the showroom and we got checked in for the Cybertruck experience. After that, we waited in a short line, and then we got to meet Cybertruck for the test drive.
Yes. Come on.
All right, ride along with me in the driver's seat of Cybertruck as I test drive it around a short loop near the event.
Daddy, Mama's recording you.
Okay, cool. We're turning it right here?
Yeah.
No? Okay.
Yeah. Also, if you would like, go. You know what? Go behind that car, the Model 3, all the way to the left, if you can.
Okay, I can. Yeah.
Only for one reason. When we're going left, I want you to make a U-turn because this is like multiple people ask me, "Was the turning radius?" Like, let's try it right now. This is a very hard one for a normal car. I want you to try it with each other.
This is very hard for my Model 3, so if I can crank a U-turn here, that's pretty impressive.
Does it have autopilot?
Autopilot's coming very soon, I hear.
Dad
we're
actually
used
has
to
do work.
we're used to just driving autopilot everywhere. We're full self-driving.
Oh, wow, look at a cute little knot.
See that cute little.
It's not a knot, though.
What do you think back there?
I don't know.
Comfortable?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Well, not really.
It's very upright,
How's the screen? Okay?
but I'd never sit in the back seat, so it's probably the same as any other.
Yeah. How's the view though? You got a big piece of glass.
I can't see anything.
And those are like your visor.
Yeah, I see the visor there. It's
Here.
mirrors. I like the squircle.
Daddy, look back and then up.
Back and then up. Yep, all that glass.
And also this experience.
Oh yeah, we can. Okay, yep, let's do that. We can adjust the ride height too, like while we're driving or sitting?
Yep.
Where are we at now with the ride height? We're on road, okay.
There we
Which
go.
is low.
Yeah,
Can go a little
let's
higher.
go medium or high.
Okay.
Now we're going up a few feet.
Wait, we are? We're going up?
Vehicle has exited off-road mode. Oops. Oh, it's raising right now. Yeah, I feel it.
I don't.
You do?
I hear it.
Yeah, I can hear like
I don't
the
feel it.
keep ride height
Yeah, I'm kind of
under until 25 miles per hour.
Try this one now.
Here we go. Clear?
Wait,
Yeah.
you turn?
Whoa! That's crazy.
We'll go opposite way right now and
Okay.
we'll
Do another U-turn?
straight, if you want.
Okay, or where do you want me to go?
Wherever you want, like either like to go back from this way or make a turn and keep going.
Yeah, let's do the full loop. So we'll just do another U-turn, I guess.
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
I just decided to go in the old post office here.
Daddy, that's a
And we'll take a
pothole.
right. Still have to look down. I guess you get used to that pretty quickly.
Okay, so I'll give you a tip on that one,
Yeah.
sir. Yeah, we'll go right. Put your thumb on the plastic between the two signals.
Oh yeah, okay.
Correct. This
then
will
up and
help
down.
you a lot, starting like whenever you want to get used to it. That your thumb on that plastic
Yeah,
line.
up, down.
Up or down. Up, right, down, left.
You getting the lot? Aren't you making another U-turn?
Now we're gonna go right now.
Can you put in the destination to see the map?
So right now, is it still coming up or is it just?
No, it's like it's done.
Okay.
I think it's done.
Oh, it went all the way up. Yeah, we're all the way up. Okay.
We
You
are?
need like to go park, I guess.
And then it will show you. Oh, lowering ride height for easier entry exit. Okay.
Right. Go. Put your foot on the brake.
Why don't you put navigate to Tesla so we can see what the nav looks like?
Navigate to Tesla in Vienna, Virginia.
Where
Now
are we?
turn right onto Leesburg Pike.
That was fast. So in the future, when this does have full self-driving, how do you activate that?
From this one, you press this one once.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Hmm?
Oh, 1 minute.
1 minute to get there.
Spin it around, right? There you go.
This 1 minute is like,
A long minute, right? How
yeah,
much-
no, not that long minute like this one. When my daughter asked me, how long we've been like until we reach Florida, we're like 1 minute. Wow. You can go if you want.
Oh, that's right on
Because
red.
this is not for you. Yeah.
Someone behind me is probably like, why aren't you going?
Or someone in the back seat. Like, what are we doing?
Oh, air compressor temperature above operating limit.
500
Uh-oh.
feet. Turn right
What does
on
that
Tyco
mean?
Road.
To the right, and that's it.
Now turn right onto Tyco Road.
Sounds pretty good. Alright, we turn right. Clear. Clear.
Super speed.
That does go
500
pretty
feet,
good, huh?
turn left.
I like that.
You can park the same way where you picked up or next to that
Now turn
Mercedes.
left.
Yeah, let's back it in. I like that idea.
Wait, back
You know,
in?
yeah, here on the on the checkers.
Oh, okay.
Now your
I think
destination
he's
is on
gonna
the
let us
left.
back it in, I guess. So we can see how it looks.
He's a nice person. They've been out for whole day for that.
Yeah.
Well, Daddy, let's
So if
go
we want to back
in.
it up, we're gonna go.
No,
Back.
yes, and you back it up. I felt like you're looking for the auto parking.
He was.
You were?
Well, we are used to that, but there you go. Yeah. You don't even need mirrors. Okay.
That's it.
And then to park, we're gonna hold. Awesome. All right, we just got back from that Cybertruck test drive. I'm still kind of on a high. I mean, that was pretty neat. Special invitation to test drive Cybertruck. We did that over at Tyson's Corner Tesla. It was a short drive, but pretty cool to experience it. I really enjoyed the rear wheel steering and that how easy and quickly that it did that quick U-turn. I mean, heavy duty doors, the rollback tonneau cover is super cool. It's a cool truck. Rachel doesn't like it though.
I really don't. I didn't get a chance to sit in the front of it. I was in the back while the sales associate was in the front seat. Yeah, I'm just not a huge fan. Really like R3.
She really likes R3 and she doesn't really want to budge on Cybertruck. I have my reservation. I've a day one reservation order. I'm a day one reservation holder. I can order it like right now, but I don't want Foundation Series. I don't need the extra badging. I don't need the heavy duty off-road tires. You know, I want FSD, and FSD is not ready for Cybertruck yet. Also, it's just the extra 20 grand. I mean, I'm happily ready to jump on Cybertruck at the regular price, and it would be really cool if we can get it with the tax credit. But we'll have to give it more time. It's just not quite ready. And maybe by the winter time or sometime next year, they'll open up the regular non-Foundation Series Cybertrucks. But in the meantime, what do you think? Should we get another Tesla? What if we got, like, I don't know, a Model Y?
I've always loved the Ys. I had my own reservation for a Y, so I'd be on board with that.
She had a reservation for a Model Y, like day one reservation holder. We held it for like 2 years, and then we just didn't really have the means at that time. Cancel it. You got a cool mountain bike, though, with the deposit. And now, of course, Tesla has really good deal on financing, 1.99% financing, and full self-driving transfer. That's really got me thinking about getting a Model Y. I don't know. Hit that subscribe button, and maybe you'll see us with a new Model Y pretty soon. Would that be cool?
That'd be awesome.
All right, guys. Catch you next time. Thanks for watching the video. If you really enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to Tesla Family channel for free here on YouTube. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll get back to you soon. We really appreciate all of our subscribers and anyone who watches our videos. Thank you very much. Check out more of our content linked on the end screen of this video and on the videos, shorts, and playlists tab of my YouTube channel. If you are on social media, follow us on X and like us on Facebook. Use my referral link to buy a new Tesla and get $1,000 off the purchase price.